The day of choices. It was a bright Monday morning at Maplewood High School. The sun streamed through the windows of room 204, where Mr. Thompson was preparing for the day's lesson. Today was special. It was the day of choices, an event where students could choose a topic they were passionate about to present to their classmates. Anna, a shy yet talented artist, had been pondering for weeks about her presentation. She wanted to inspire her classmates to appreciate art in their everyday lives. Meanwhile, her best friend Jake was excited to share his knowledge of technology and how it shapes the future. As the students entered the classroom, the air buzzed with excitement. Each student took turns presenting their chosen topic. Anna watched nervously as her classmates spoke confidently about their subjects. When it was finally her turn, she felt her heart race. Taking a deep breath, she stepped up to the front. "Art is everywhere," she began, her voice trembling at first, but gaining strength. She shared her love for painting and showed her classmates some of her artwork. To her surprise, the room fell silent, captivated by her passion. After her presentation, Anna received warm applause. She realized that sharing her passion had connected her to her classmates in a way she hadn't expected. Jake followed with his tech presentation, and together they sparked a lively discussion about art and technology. That day, the students learned not just about each other's interests, but also the importance of embracing their passions. Anna left the classroom feeling more confident, knowing that her voice mattered.